sinabi nilang dahilan is because parang Tita Gret was siding with Julia, parang, ay, with Liza.
You know what, guys? Oh my gosh. Honestly, so far, ito na talaga yung pinaka nakakatawang rumor na ginawa nila na dahilan. Bakit nag-awa yung pamilya ko? Sorry, napakababaw po talaga. Bakit? Diba? Ang dami-dami pwedeng pag-awayin. Bakit yun? Diba? Sana may relevance man lang sa pamilya namin, sa mga pinagdaanan na, layo, di ba? Yung laki-laki ng problema, biglang, saan galing yun, di ba? Ano ba yan? Wala na talagang magawa.
Good for her. Good for her. I'm happy for her. But it doesn't mean I'm competing with her. It doesn't mean that she's my enemy. Magkasabay kami nagsimula, which means pag
Yeah, you were launched here, kayo as the batch
we were launched
started.
together. So pag nakikita ka ng batchmate mo, na nakasabay mo to strive to where you guys are now, hindi ka magagalit eh. You're gonna be more of proud and happy for her. And I'm happy for her. I'm genuinely happy for her. She's doing great. Forevermore's doing great. There's nothing bad to say about that.
So, you're not really competing with each other, with Janela also.
That's not possible. Those girls are one of really my bestest friends here in the business. Mahirap makahanap ng magiging malapit mo kaibigan sa industriyang to. So, I cannot see them as my enemies, even ever.